In the ever-evolving landscape of construction and home renovation, the decision between hiring a general contractor or a contractor remains a pivotal one. This choice can significantly impact the timeline, budget, and overall success of your project. A general contractor oversees entire projects, managing subcontractors and the construction process. A contractor, often termed a specialty contractor, focuses on specific aspects like electrical, plumbing, or carpentry within a larger project. This article digs into the nuances of general contractor versus contractor, providing you with essential insights to guide your decision-making process. Understanding the distinct roles and responsibilities of a general contractor compared to a contractor is crucial. A general contractor serves as the project manager, overseeing the entirety of a project from start to finish. They are responsible for hiring subcontractors, ensuring deadlines are met, and managing the project budget. On the other hand, contractors typically specialize in a specific area and are hired for their expertise in that field. A general contractor, GC, is the linchpin in the construction and renovation projects, overseeing the entire operation from the ground up. This role is often misunderstood or underestimated by those not familiar with the intricacies of building and remodeling projects. Here, we take a closer look at what a general contractor does, why they are indispensable, and the specific responsibilities that fall under their purview. At its core, the role of a general contractor is to bring a client's vision to life. They act as the project manager, coordinating every aspect of the project from inception to completion. This involves a wide range of tasks, from initial planning and permitting to hiring subcontractors, managing budgets, and ensuring that the project adheres to all codes and regulations. Project planning and management. A GC is involved from the early stages of project planning, helping to translate the client's needs and ideas into a feasible project plan. This includes outlining the scope of work, estimating costs, and setting a realistic timeline. Once the project begins, the GC manages the day-to-day operations, ensuring that work progresses according to plan. Hiring and supervising subcontractors. One of the most critical roles of a GC is to hire and oversee subcontractors who specialize in specific areas of the project, such as plumbing, electrical, or carpentry. The GC is responsible for ensuring that these subcontractors perform their work to a high standard and promptly. Budget management. A general contractor is responsible for the financial management of the project. This includes preparing and overseeing the budget, negotiating and paying subcontractors, and handling any unforeseen costs that may arise. Quality control and compliance. Ensuring that all aspects of the project meet specific standards and regulations is another crucial responsibility. This includes not only the quality of workmanship, but also adherence to building codes and safety regulations. Communication and problem solving. Effective communication is vital in keeping a project on track. A general contractor serves as the main point of contact for clients, subcontractors, and any other stakeholders. They must be able to convey ideas, resolve conflicts, and solve problems quickly and efficiently. When embarking on a construction or renovation project, you'll likely encounter the term contractor. But what does it truly mean? The role of a contractor is often conflated with or misunderstood relative to that of a general contractor. Here, we aim to demystify the role of the contractor, outlining their key responsibilities, the types of projects they undertake, and what distinguishes them from a general contractor. A contractor, in the broadest sense, is a professional or a company hired to perform specific work on a project. Unlike a general contractor who oversees the entirety of a project, a contractor typically focuses on a particular area of expertise, such as plumbing, electrical work, or roofing. This specialization allows them to provide highly skilled services tailored to the unique needs of each project. The contractor's scope of work is defined by their area of specialization. For instance, an electrical contractor is responsible for all electrical aspects of a construction project, including installation, repair, and maintenance of electrical systems. Similarly, a roofing contractor would handle everything from roof repairs to installing new roofing systems, ensuring they meet all regulatory standards and requirements. Specialized task execution. Contractors execute tasks that require specific skills and certifications. Their work is critical to the overall success of the project, demanding a high level of precision and expertise. Supplying materials and labor. Contractors are often responsible for providing the necessary materials, equipment, and labor to complete their segment of the project. This includes sourcing high-quality materials and employing skilled workers to ensure the work is done correctly and efficiently. Adhering to codes and regulations. Like general contractors, contractors must ensure their work complies with local building codes and safety regulations. This involves staying updated on all relevant laws and standards and obtaining any necessary permits before beginning work. Managing subcontracts. In cases where a contractor needs to subcontract parts of their work, they are responsible for hiring and overseeing these subcontractors, similar to how a general contractor manages the overall project. When planning a construction or renovation project, one of the critical decisions you'll face is whether to hire a general contractor or a specialized contractor. This choice can significantly influence the project's success, affecting everything from the quality and timing of the work to the overall cost. To make an informed decision, it's essential to understand the factors that should guide your choice. For large-scale projects that involve multiple trades, such as building a new home or undertaking a major renovation, a general contractor is almost always necessary. General contractors have the experience and resources to manage complex projects, coordinating between various subcontractors and ensuring that the project remains on schedule and within budget. If your project is more straightforward or focuses on a specific area, such as installing a new roof or updating your electrical system, hiring a specialized contractor might be more appropriate. These contractors bring in-depth expertise to their specific field, which can be beneficial for tasks that require specialized knowledge or certifications. A significant advantage of hiring a general contractor is their ability to oversee and coordinate all aspects of the project. This includes scheduling work, obtaining necessary permits, and handling any issues that arise. If you prefer a hands-off approach or don't have the time to manage these tasks yourself, a general contractor can provide peace of mind by taking responsibility for the project. Choosing to work directly with individual contractors may require more involvement on your part, as you'll need to coordinate their work and manage the overall project timeline yourself. This approach can be more manageable for smaller projects or when working with a single type of trade. While hiring a general contractor can add to the project's overall cost, due to management fees, it can also save money in the long run through efficient resource allocation and avoiding costly mistakes. General contractors often have established relationships with suppliers and subcontractors, potentially securing better rates or priority service. For specific tasks, hiring a specialized contractor may offer cost savings, particularly if the work doesn't require coordination with other trades. However, if managing multiple specialized contractors for a larger project, costs can add up, and the lack of a single coordinating authority may lead to inefficiencies. General contractors are adept at scheduling and can often complete projects more quickly by efficiently managing the workflow among various trades. Their experience in project management helps minimize downtime and ensure that the project progresses steadily towards completion. When working directly with specialized contractors, scheduling can become more challenging, particularly if multiple trades are involved. Delays in one area can impact the entire project timeline, requiring careful coordination to avoid extended timelines. Deciding between a general contractor and a contractor is a critical step in ensuring the success of your project. By understanding the roles, responsibilities, and considerations outlined in this article, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your project's needs, budget, and goals.